Good morning, children. And today we are going to start with our section F. In the last video, we have completed till section E. Okay. So today we'll start with section F. First question. Okay. Now see the first question of F section. A sample of 25 lenses is selected from a day's production and production of a company manufacturing. 1 minute. Let me say. Manufacturing eye lenses, the thickness of this selected lenses are as under. Distribute this data into 5 classes of equal length. Is here class as number of classes they have given, that is 5 classes of equal length they have said. So number of classes we got. Now here the data are given, and further the question is, if the company decides that the lenses having thickness less than 1.510 and more than 1.525 are considered as defective, then what percent of lenses in the samples are defective? Okay. Now let's see. See, in this minimum thickness is 1.505 mm and the maximum thickness they have found from here. See, minimum or maximum ये data में से find out करना है. So minimum is 1.505 mm and the maximum thickness is 1.528 mm. Then the range comes to 1.528 minus 1.505 is 0.023. So in 5 classes the data is to be distributed. So class length is range upon number of classes. So 0.023 upon 5, that comes to 0.0046, that can be 0.005. So this will be your class length. Okay, so we will be starting with the minimum value, that is 1.505 to 0.005 को add करना. So that will be 1.510. Then 1.510 से 0.005 to 1.515, 1.515 to 1.520 and 1.520 to 1.525 and 1.525 to 1.530. Right? Now this is an exclusive continuous frequency distribution. You have to give the heading also that this is an exclusive continuous frequency distribution of thickness of eye lenses. Then here we found the class. Then tally mark. See, the first one is 1.58, 1.518. So that will be coming in this one here, one tally mark 1.518. Then this one we have done. Now 1.511, 1.511. So यहाँ पर see in red color whatever I am doing, that is done by, this is the same as what is done, that is I am doing it again only. 1.520, next is 1.520, 520 will be यहाँ पर भी है और यहाँ पर भी है, तो starting का number देखना है, right? So 1.520, one tally mark, then 1.506, 1.506 first one में, then 1.514, 514 in second one, 1.509, 509 in the first one, 1.518, third 1.520, last second 1.515. see 515 यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी, हम जो स्टार्टिंग है वो देखते हैं, राइट? 1.515 जो स्टार्टिंग में है वो, देन 1.519 वो भी यहाँ पर आएगा, 1.527, 527 last one. 522. 522 last second. 514 second. 523. 516 third में. 505 first. 528. 508. 521. 521 again. 520. 528. 25. 525. 517. 507. Right? So यहाँ पे 5, this is 3, 6, 7 and 4. So total comes to 25. So this is the way how you have to do the tally mark. You have to do the tick marks. If you are taking one number, then you have to do tick mark in front of them. तो वो नंबर्स नेक्स्ट नहीं पता नहीं ये नहीं होगा कि हमने कहाँ पर हम अगर बाई चांस हाँ या हमने थोड़ा भी ध्यान गया तो ये इश्यू नहीं आएगा कि आप लोगों ने कहाँ पर एंड किया था, आप लोगों ने लास्ट नंबर कौन सा देखा था. यू हैव टू डू टिक मार्क विद योर पेन पेंसिल और डॉट करना है. क्वेश्चन पेपर में होगा तो क्वेश्चन पेपर में यू हैव टू डू द टिक मार्क. ओके, so you will not miss any number. Okay, so this is the way how you have to find your tally marks, right? Now see, here they have told the percentage you have to find. So here what they have given, here they have said that defective, then what percent of lenses in the sample are defective. Defective के ये चाहिए हमको defective lenses. So in the above frequency distribution, the number of the lenses of thickness less than 1.510 mm is 5. Less than 1.510. इसमें क्या बोला है कि the lenses having thickness less than 1.510 and more than 1.525 are considered as defective. So 1.510, 1.510 कितने हैं 5. Okay, and 1.525, 525 में कितने हैं 4, right? So 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 divided by 25. From where 25 we got? We got 25 from the total of our frequency, right? ये frequency के numbers लिए है ना तो total की frequency का ही total लेना है. Okay, so 9 upon 25 into 100, that is 36%, right? So this is the way how you have to find your percentage. They told you to find the percentage, so this is how we are finding our percentage, right? 9 upon 9, from where we got 9? 9 is 1.510 है, so that is 5. थिकनेस इज लेस देन बोला है ना, तो 1.510 से लेस, तो लेस देन का कॉलम है तो लेस यानी उससे पहले वाला आएगा. This if you are thinking that if we are saying that 1.510, then we are saying the first number, class का जो first number होता है 1 point, but it is not like that. They told that less than 1.510, so less than 1.510 will be following in the first class, so उसका frequency है 5. और 5 to 5 है उसका नेक्स्ट क्लास, मोर देन बोला है तो 5 to 5 है ये नेक्स्ट क्लास लास्ट क्लास में, तो 4. 5 plus 4 9 divided by 25. Okay, so this is the way you have to find your class and frequency. Now we'll see the next sum. See, now next one is the data related to variations in the prices of a share for 30 days in a share market are as under. Prepare an exclusive continuous classification having class limits of one of the classes as 18.5 and 20.5. Here already they have given one class as a hint. Okay, so we don't have any problem for finding out our class. So now data all are given, then below that data some questions they have given. So the questions are on the basis of this frequency distribution. Answer the following question. See children, this type of questions I am going to ask for 5 marks and 3 marks. This may alternate questions है ना, that type of questions will be asked in 3 marks and 5 marks. So the first question is, what is the mid value of the fourth class? Second is, find the number of days during which the price of share is at the most 16.50 rupees, and find the number of days during which the price of the share is at least 19.50 rupees. At the most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, at least means कम से कम, right? Now, see here, we'll see the minimum value and the maximum value first. So the minimum value is 10.50 and the maximum price is 20.80. So the range comes to the 20.80 minus 10.50 करना है. So that comes to, so range is 10.30, right? And here one class is already given. So according to the given class, given hint only, we will be doing our finding our other classes. Okay, so one of the hint is 18.5 and 20.5, right? The two का difference है. So the minimum value is 10.50. So our class will be starting with 10.5. Two का difference है ना, 10.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 16.5, 16.5 to 18.5, 18.5 to 20.5, and 20.5 to 22.5. See here, one of the number that class that they have given is 18.5 to 20.5, that we have already taken, right? Now, see, this is the class. Now you have to find out the frequency tally marks, and then you have to find the frequencies. See, in this question, no need of finding your range, because one hint is already given, and simply we have to find the minimum value and the maximum value, and based on that minimum and maximum value, you have to find out your classes, right? Class hint already दिया है ना, तो वो एक class हमारे जो class हम find करें उसमें से एक class वो होना चाहिए जो hint में दिया है. Okay, और दूसरी चीज है, here inclusive or exclusive nothing is given, so we will go for exclusive only, because that is the easier one that we have learned. I told you that if nothing is given, you will go for an exclusive class. Okay, so now first question is the mid value of the fourth class. See the fourth class 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth is 16.5 to 18.5. So the mid value is 18.5 plus 16.5 divided by 2. The upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is the formula of your mid value. So the answer comes to 35 upon 2 is 17.5. है ना? अभी next है, अभी 3 questions और दिए हैं ना इसके. 1 minute. See, number of days during which the closing price of the share is at the most 16.5 mean that the number of days during which the closing price of the share is less than 16.50 is or at the most यानी ज्यादा से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो उसमें क्या लेंगे हम लोग, देखो 16.50 at the most, तो ये जो क्लास है इससे ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 2 तो फ्रीक्वेंसीज क्या लेंगे, 2 plus 6 plus 8. देखो है ना, 2 plus 6 plus 8 that is 16. तो frequencies लेना है, जो frequencies whatever frequency you got that the number of days is when the price of share is this much, है ना. जो क्लास है that is the number of shares, रुपीस shares का रुपीस है, और जो days है कि ये डे में इतने days ये number of shares था, ये days पे इतना number of shares था. तो 16.5 at the most बोला, ज्यादा से ज्यादा. तो इससे ज्यादा नहीं जाना है. तो फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड क्लास के सामने जो भी फ्रीक्वेंसी है दैट यू हैव टू टेक. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज द नंबर ऑफ डेज ड्यूरिंग व्हिच द क्लोजिंग प्राइस ऑफ द शेयर इज एट लीस्ट यानी कम से कम 19.50 है, राइट? 19.50 ना, एटलीस्ट. सी 18.5 और 20.5 के बीच में आएगा. तो इसको हम पहले डिवाइड करेंगे 8 डिवाइडेड बाई एटलीस्ट कम से कम राइट 8/2 सी 8/2 किया है प्लस 2 सिर्फ एक ही बचा ना यहाँ पे इसके बाद एटलीस्ट बोला है तो यानी कम से कम उतना हो सकता है कम से कम का मतलब क्या है ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब उससे ज्यादा नहीं कम से कम मतलब उससे ज्यादा हो सकता है तो उससे ज्यादा जो है वो हम कंसिडर करेंगे राइट एटलीस्ट दे हैव टोल्ड सो वी कैन टेक द अदर frequency also so 8 divided by 2 because 19.5 comes in between 18.5 and 20.5 so we will be taking the frequency 8 but that should be divided by the 2 ओके तो 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आया 4 और उसके बाद एक और फ्रीक्वेंसी है 2 तो 4 + 2 is 6 so answer comes to 6 days so this is the way how you have to solve right now next question third now 3 more questions are left now third one the owner of a factory has decided to produce 50 mixers used as household equipments but the daily production of the mixers changes due to variation in the number of workers a variation in the production of mixers with respect to a pre-decided number of production that is 100 units during 40 days is recorded as under prepare an exclusive continuous frequency distribution having class length 6 दिया है and the mid value of one of the classes 3 and also prepare a less than and more than cumulative frequency distribution okay so here they have given each and every thing so here the data are given so in this whatever what is given so given informations are you have class length is given that is 6 mid value is given 3 and you have to prepare more than and less than cumulative frequency and more than that whatever you have class type is given that is an exclusive continuous frequency distribution so these are the data right so from this data you have to find the minimum and the maximum so here the minimum is -10 and the maximum is 23 now you have to find the mid value and the class length is given right and minimum -10 है ना so class length already दिया हुआ है right class length 6 का है तो हम लोग 12 -12 to 6 तो वो डायरेक्टली 6 के रेंज में आ जाएगा -12 to -6 थोड़ा भी नंबर आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं दैट इज नॉट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू टेक एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द मिनिमम रेंज मिनिमम नंबर जो हमें डेटा में से जो मिनिमम नंबर मिला ना वो जरूरी नहीं है वहीं से ही स्टार्ट करना right you can arrange it in a such a way that it comes in the multiple of जैसे अभी मैंने ये 12 लिया 12 to 6 easily हमें mistakes नहीं होता that 12 के टेबल में 6 के टेबल में ही आ जाता 12 to 6 -12 to -6 -6 to 0 0 to 6 6 to 12 12 to 18 18 to 24 वो mistake नहीं होता है हमारा easily हमारे 6 के डिफरेंस आते because we have taken the number from the as a multiple of 6 राइट अगर 5 होता तो हम कैसे लेते 5 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 30 वो सब 5 के टेबल में आने वाला है वो इजीली लेते हम ऐसा नहीं लेंगे 12 ऐसे ऑड नंबर्स नहीं लेंगे 11 + 5 16 फिर 16 + 5 21 ऐसे ऑड नहीं लेंगे इजीली जो क्लास बन जाता है वो हमें लेना है राइट so here we have taken -12 to 6 -6 to 0 0 to 6 6 to 12 12 to 18 and 18 to 24 and the main thing is that minimum and the maximum number should come within that range only है ना वो है condition now tally mark दिया है right tally mark or frequencies is not an issue for you now because we are going to end the chapter and now it is not a big issue for you right then they told you to find the less than and more than type see less than में हम लोग ने नंबर less than upper boundary point दिया -12 से लेके 24 तक see and I told you in less than that the first class is 0 and the last is the total of your frequency and in more than your first will be the total of your frequency and the last will be the 0 बस ये ही ध्यान में रखना अगर वो क्लास हो तो ही हमारा फर्स्ट 0 आएगा लेस देन में और मोर देन में लास्ट 0 आएगा अगर क्लास है डिस्क्रीट है तो फिर वो नंबर ही आएगा ओके वो सब 2-3 हिंट है जो आप लोगों को याद रखना okay so this was an easy sum that's why I just fast वो बता दिया आप लोग now fourth is the data regarding the height of 30 students of a school are as under prepare an inclusive continuous frequency distribution of 6 classes and hence prepare less than and more than cumulative frequency this is also the same way 6 classes you have to form and here the important thing is to find the minimum and the sorry, minimum and the maximum value. Right, on the basis of where to answer the following question, here few questions are also given. If the participation in the NCEC activities requires a minimum height of 160 centimeter, how many students are eligible to participate? And in second one, find the number of students having height from 153 centimeter to 163 centimeter. And third is the find the maximum height of 1/3 of the students having minimum height. Now see. First of all, you find the minimum and the maximum value. So minimum height is 141 and the maximum is 168. So the range is 168 maximum minus minimum, 168 minus 141, that is 27 centimeter. And here they have told that 6 classes you have to form. Right, so the class length is 27 divided by 6, that is 4.5, approximately 5. The class length comes to 5. So the minimum 141 था ना, तो हमने 140 से लिया है, and that is also an inclusive class. See in question, if it is in question they have given that you have to find an inclusive class, right? So 140 to 144, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 5 हो गया. Then 45 to 49. देखो ऐसे देखना है तुम्हें. Horizontally you have to see. So your that class length का issue नहीं आएगा. ऐसे देखो horizontally देखो. 5 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, ऐसे भी देखो तो 5 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है ना. हमेशा ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली तुम्हें फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट. देखना है, अगर क्लास लेंथ अगर फाइंड करना होता है तो इंक्लूसिव में सिर्फ इंक्लूसिव 140 to 144, 145 to 149, 150 to 154, 155 to 159, 160 to 164, 165 to 169. Then the tally mark you have to do and frequency. So what is the frequency you got? 288462. So the total comes to 30. Right, now you have to find your less than type and more than type. See, less than type, what the class you have to take. Less than and more than. जब भी less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency, whenever we are finding at that time we have to convert our inclusive class into exclusive one, right? So inclusive class को exclusive में convert करना ही है compulsory. If you are not converting inclusive into exclusive, then you are that the whole sum will be wrong only. I am not going to give you marks if you are not converted the class into exclusive, right? So minus 0.5 in the lower limit and plus 0.5 in the upper limit, right? So 140.5, 140 है तो minus 0.5 means 139.5 and 144 को plus 0.5 करेंगे तो 144.5. ओके, सो दैट कम्स टू. सो पूरा एक क्लास प्रिपेयर कर लो आप लोग, एक साइड पे क्लास पूरा प्रिपेयर कर लो और उसके बाद उसमें से हाइट लेस देन अपर बाउंड्री पॉइंट एंड मोर देन लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट ऐसे लेना है. तो 139.5 to 169.5 सारे लेने हैं. So see here the class we have formed. So here I told you, so whenever class is there first frequency less than में 0 होगा. So देखो 0 है, फिर 0 plus 2, फिर 2 plus 8. 0 इसमें ऐड करोगे तो भी चलेगा. 0 plus 2 plus 8 if you are writing then also it is right. Then here 0 plus, see ये लोगों ने ऐसा लिखा, हमें ऐसा नहीं लिखना है. First 0, then 0 plus 2, that is 2, then 0 plus 2 plus 8. 1 minute. 288462, right? So 0 plus 2, फिर 0 plus 2 plus 8, 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8, फिर 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4. ऐसे करना है हमें, right? Not in this way. How I am teaching the same way you have to write. Okay, ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. मुझे क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आप लोग क्या लिख रहे हो. फर्स्ट 0 है, फिर 0 plus 2 आएगा, फिर 0 + 2 + 8, फिर 0 + 2 + 8 + 8, 0 + 2 + 8 + 8 + 4 जो है वो frequency. Okay, this way only you have to write, and I will not accept the answers if you are writing in this way. Okay, I want in the way how I am explaining. Now this is the more than that cumulative frequency. Okay, 13.5 और वही आएगा height equal to or more than upper boundary point, sorry lower boundary point 139.5 से लेकर 169.5 तक, और ये होगा तुम्हारा क्लास cumulative frequency, right? And the question is, to participate in NCC, height 160 centimeter is required. Therefore, the students with the height 160 centimeter or more can join NCC. The number of students 160 or more. 160 or more. 6 + 2. 6 + 2 8 है ना. फ्रीक्वेंसी के कॉलम में देखो, टैली मार्क के सामने जो फ्रीक्वेंसी मिला है ना, वो वाला देखना है तुम्हें. उसमें से क्लास एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी को टैली करके देखना है. 160 एंड मोर मींस वन लास्ट के दो क्लास 160 to 164 है, 165 to 169 है. दैट क्लास यू हैव टू टेक, एंड इन दैट front of that class whatever frequency is given that you have to take. Then the next question is, find the number of the students height is 153 to 163 centimeter. See, in this 150 to 154 लेना है, और जिसके सामने फ्रीक्वेंसी है 8, एंड 153 to 154 लेना है और उसका है 8/5 into 2, that is 3.2 or approximately 3 you can take. So 155 to 155 there are 4 students, and 160 to 164 there are 6 students. So in 160 to 163 the number of students is 6/5 है ना. ये जो 6 दिया है 6/5 into 4. Okay, and from where you are taking this 5? See, pi का class length है ना, this is divided by class 5 here. Okay, so here they have said that 153 to 163 ना, 153 to 163, तो 153 to 163 है, तो 153 किस में आता है, 150 to 154 में आता है. ओके तो फिर वो क्लास एक पर्टिकुलर बना दो, 153 to 154, 153 to 154 कितने हो जाएंगे, 2 numbers, right? So 8/5 into 2, and 155 to 159 में कितना होगा, 4, and 160 to 164 में again 6, right? तो 160 to 163 है, so 6/5 into 4, 60, 61, 62, 63, 4 हो गए ना, 60, 61, 62, 63, 4, वैसे काउंट करना है. Okay, so this way you have to find your second sum. Then 1/3, find the maximum height of a 1/3 of the students having minimum height. 1/3 of the students having minimum height. So the 1/3 is 30/3, है ना? So that is 10. The height of 10 students having at least the height falls in the class. Therefore, there are maximum height is 149. See the third question. Will not go. See here, 1/3 students is 10. 30 by 3, that is 10. The height of a 10 students having least height falls in the class. Therefore, their maximum height is 149 centimeter. Thus, the maximum height of 1/3 students having least height is 149 centimeter. That means 10. है ना? तो 10 किसमें आता है वो तुमको देखना है. So they told that what is the question? They said find the maximum height of 1/3 of the students having minimum height, right? Maximum 1/3 हमने फाइंड किया तो 30 by 3 किया तो हमें 10 आया. तो 10 हमें कैसे फाइंड करना है? यहाँ से काउंट करना है फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी से. 2 + 8 is 10. 10 यहाँ पर सक्सेस हो गया. अगर सपोज 18 बोला था तो 2 + 8 + 8 तो 18 यहाँ फुलफिल होता है. तो 10 का है तो हमें स्टार्टिंग से काउंट करना है. तो 8 + 2 is 10. तो 10 इसके सामने क्या आया है 149. तो ये जो लास्ट है जो भी क्लास है 145 to 149 उसमें जो भी हमारा अपर लिमिट है वो देखना है. तो 149 सेंटीमीटर वैसे आया, राइट. 10 बोला था इसीलिए हमें ऐड करते जाना है. फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी से हम ऐड करेंगे. 2 + 8 10 है तो 10 आ गया. तो वो 10 जहां फुलफिल होता है उसके सामने जो क्लास आ रहा है उसका जो अपर लिमिट है वो देखना है. ओके. अगर सपोज बोला होता कि सपोज 10 18 22 बोला है समझो. तो फर्स्ट 2 + 8 देखो अगर 22 बोला होता तो क्या होता 2 + 8 10 10 + 8 10 + 8 is 18 18 + 4 is 24 right 22. तो 22 यहाँ पर फुलफिल हो रहा है ना. यहाँ तक लेना है और उसका जो भी ये अपर लिमिट है वो कंसीडर कर. राइट. So this is the question what I am going to explain you that what type of it, right. This is the simple difference that I want to explain. Okay. Now, so this is the end of your sum. Okay. Now only one sum is left, that is your fifth sum that I will be explaining in the next video. Okay. So thank you so much.